bait and switch is when someone, and this is not only in mortgages, this is just in anything, when there's an alluring but insincere offer to sell a product or service. Sometimes in advertising, they'll tell you whatever they want to tell you to get you in the door. But then when they get you in the door, they try to switch you to something else. Like, let me show you something else. Well, here's what I really want to show you. But that's not how they got you in the door. So they baited you in on one thing, on one promise, and then now that they have you in their office or in their store, they switch it to something else. Bona fide offer. You have to make sure that what you're offering, whether it's a product or a service, is something that you can actually provide or fulfill. You see, this violated a lot with stores, especially around Black Friday. They would say something like, hey, we'll give an Xbox for $40 for the first 100 people. And you'll have people sleeping all outside trying to get these Xboxes for $40. But the store really only had 25. So if they only have 25, how are they going to give it to the first 100 people? It wasn't a bona fide offer to begin with. Then we have switch after sell. Now, switch after sell is pretty much the same as bait and switch, except they took a deposit. That's what made it a sell. So they took a deposit on a product or service, and then when you got there to claim it, they try to switch it to something else. It's described as accepting a deposit for an advertised product, then switching the purchase to a higher priced product. That's when it's considered switch after sell.